Hi guys, so today's video was inspired by Myra Touch of Glam, where she picks 5 random eyeshadows. She used the James Charles palette, and I'm also going to be using the James Charles palette. And she got inspiration from Emily Noel and Nikki Tutorials. Nikki Tutorials recently came out with a video as well, where she used this Google random number generator to choose her makeup. She does like her whole face. I'm just going to be doing pretty much my eyeshadow, just kind of what Myra Touch of Glam did. So the James Charles palette has 39 eyeshadows. So what I did is I put all the numbers on this sheet, and then you can just see them. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna put in 39, and we're gonna start playing. The first number is 31. So the first color is Pinkity Drinkity. Okay, the next color. Okay, that is the Skip. So this is Skip. The next number is 11. So this color is called Mary, which is this one right here. Okay, so far this doesn't really look like it's gonna be that hard, but we still got 2 more eyeshadows. Okay, 23. Okay, so that's Spooky, and it is black. So we got 1 more color. Hopefully it's not like blue. I don't know, we'll see. So far they're all matte. We have no shimmer yet. So I'm kind of hoping for a shimmer, but hopefully not a blue shimmer. So 32 is called Social Blade, and it is the color green. Okay, so honestly, I have no idea what to do with these colors. Actually, I mean, I don't know if it's gonna look good, but I feel like we could probably work with this, but we will see. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with my primer. First color I'm gonna take is Pinkity Drinkity. I'm gonna use that to set my primer. So I'm just gonna take this flat brush. This is also gonna work well as a translucent. This is also gonna work well as a transitional color. So now I'm gonna take, I think I'm gonna take the color Mary, and I'm gonna apply that on my crease. So I'm just gonna go in there and just darken up my crease. I think I'm gonna darken my inner corner as well. I mean my outer corner as well. And I'm just gonna go back and forth, applying and blending. I forgot to do this earlier, but I did want to use tape on my eyes because I really want to do like a defined wing. Okay, now I'm gonna take the color Skip, which is a very, very bright pink, and I'm gonna set that right in here. So I feel like the whole point of this challenge is kind of like, I don't know, I guess to like try different color combinations, because honestly I would never do green and pink together. I'm just happy honestly that I didn't get the color blue. I feel like I just don't look good in the color blue. Like I cannot pull it off. It's just gonna be looking like a mess until we kind of put everything together. Like you always have to look the worst before you can look the best. Okay, so I'm going to go in again with Mary, and I'm just going to concentrate that color a little bit more on the outer corner and my crease without blending it up too high. And then pray, hopefully this looks good. So now I'm going to use the color Spooky, which is the black one, and I'm going to use that as an eyeliner. So I'm also going to go in and smudge it out. Okay, so I'm gonna go and I'm gonna do this side, and then we'll be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and I'm just gonna wipe off all this like fallout. So pretty much I've used every single color except the green one, which is Social Blade. Okay, so I'm gonna go in, add in my foundation, my concealer, all of that. So for my foundation, I am gonna be using the Kat Von D one. So this is very full coverage. Okay, then I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild. This is their contouring stick. I also like to use it on my nose. This is just a small detailed brush. Then my concealer. Okay, so now I'm going to take that Mary color again, and I'm going to apply that just at the outer corner of my lower eye. Then I'm going to take this brush, and I'm just going to blend that out a bit. Okay, then I'm going to take this Lexi mini round brush. Okay, so I'm going to take the Social Blade, and I'm going to apply this right in my inner lower eye. Doesn't really show up. Never mind, I'm gonna take this flat brush instead. So the makeup gods didn't bless me with any shimmer, so instead I'm gonna take Pinkity Drinkity and I'm gonna apply that on my inner corner, and I'm gonna try to use that as a highlight. Nope. Okay, so that's not really working, but you know what this look reminds me of? A watermelon. Okay, now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna apply lashes and mascara, and we will be right back. Why am I doing that? So pretty much this is the final look. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.